We're in soccer practice now, and they're moving in the goals for the game. And I'm just gonna put it over here.
Where'd you put your bike? I told you I was gonna do that.
Dad and I are gonna go and pick up Mommy, right, Dad?
Yep.
In the supermarket?
That's enough.
Okay. We're doing good. Wait, so we're in the parking lot of the supermarket. Anyway, here's Daddy. And we're gonna go inside and pick up Mommy now. We're in the supermarket. Hi! Anyway, look over here. This is like the biggest supermarket ever. Anyway, now they have like, I think, 5 or 6 aisles in this supermarket. Now it starts off with vegetables and deodorant and all stuff like that. And what is this? Whiskey? He loves whiskey, and then this is the wine and everything. On the other side, you get.
He loves wine, loves
Person.
anything that's.
Trying to think of a joke here, but anyway, this is the whole appliance area, and this is all the food area, and this is the toy area with all sorts of surprises, and they even have like a tasting group. But I have to tell you, look at these prices. That's crazy, man. Just got on the wine section, fish section, vegetable section, fresh pork, fresh beef, and fruits. All is going well. Now we're doing a contest. Come on. So I have a little hiccups here. But Dad has challenged me to look for Mommy first. Whoever wins will get a Toblerone. Anyway. Looking. This is a very tense match. Nobody in this side. There she is. Oh, that's not her. Wait. Wrong person. Anyway.
Yeah.
I don't know where Mommy is.
The mother.
Let's look inside. Maybe she's in the aisles. Hard in the aisle section. Oh. Ouch. Okay. Okay. I just slipped. But anyway. My butt is starting to hurt now. But anyway. So still in the challenge. Okay, wrong person again. Here I go. I can't see. Where is she? It's crazy. Like over there. I went the other. And he won. And that was not good. Anyway, Mommy shopping for all sorts of things. We just finished everything. And all of our groceries are right behind us. Over there. Yeah. Look at this. Nice car. Very nice, man. Very nice. Right now, I'm pushing this this cart.
Look where you're going.
I'm really bad at this vlog. Look at my. Okay, that was just crazy. But anyway, we're moving in.